Hello everyone, today I want to show how to order cash card. So if you need to order cash card, you need must account. So click card option and get your free card and choose the card. I choose black. It's loading. Now type your address. State, then city, so MA state. Now click next and all terms here: transaction fee, ATM withdraw, monthly free. There is no monthly free here. Continue. So it's show unexpected error, please try again later. Now I'm try again now. So get free card. This time I choose white card, order card. Now type address again. So if you need Cash App account, chime and casino support, chime support and everything, then join my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is description. So it's loading. You successfully place your card order. Card usually arrive 7 to 14 days. So continue. Still loading. So get early access. If you need early access, then you need to provide your driving license or state ID card. So you see, if you need early, then you need to provide that document. So I don't want early. See, the card you get 7 days later. And if you need 100% payment receipt account, then join my Telegram. So thank you.